You're watching EJV BODYCAM, real police footage, real danger, and real consequences. In this episode, a stolen car, and a brave civilian uses his own vehicle to stop a fleeing felon. These aren't movie scenes, they're real, raw, and caught on camera. Welcome to EJV BODYCAM. We start in Cobb County, Georgia, where police spot a stolen truck linked to an armed robbery. The suspect hits the gas on I-75, dodging through traffic before trying to take an exit. But one officer says nope and rams the truck off the road.
12 are down behind us.
13, are you behind anyone on the station?
Yeah, it's F4, it is not stopping.
I'm with you. Get a couple of units of box in. What do you see if you started trying to trust me?
If you appreciate authentic breakdowns, wild pursuits, and raw police footage, please consider liking and subscribing.
For heavy traffic on the right shoulder, 80 miles an hour. Get off of Windy Hill.
Hey, we need less lethal.
Put the knife down for me, pal. I need you to put the knife down.
All right, less lethal's coming up. Hands down! Come on! Come on now!
Step out.
Come on! I got
Step
it.
out of the car.
I got it. Throw him out. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Get on the ground now.
Get on the ground!
Put your hands out to your side and do not move.
Hey,
Put your hands out to the side, just like an airplane. Look down at the ground and do not move.
all right, move it. Do not move! Do not move! Do not move! Put your hands behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Clear the car! Clear the car! Custody! Yeah, he's in custody. Alright. Alright, roll on. I got him. I got gloves on.
Guns drawn, cops swarm him, and just when it looks like he might go out fighting, he throws the gun, holds a knife to his throat, then breaks down in tears, saying,
Man, why y'all do that to me, man? I was just wanting to get away, man.
Hey, sit tight, we got an ambulance come check you
I
out.
just wanted to get away.
Hey, sit tight, we got an ambulance come check you out, make sure everything's okay, look at your head, make sure it's all squared away, and we'll go from there, okay?
definitely not the ending he imagined. She slips her cuffs, climbs through the cage window, and steals the cop car. Meth found on her, charges stacked up. That police unit, totaled. Now this one's just crazy. A 14-year-old steals a car and leads deputies on a high-speed chase. He ignores commands to stop, hits street signs, flips the car several times, then crawls out like it's nothing and tries to run.
It's a Florida tag. It's a dark gray Mazda 6 driven by a black male.
I mean, I'm sorry. Stop forward. Can you advise you were 1031 or just in case you go 1031?
I'll be calling out if it goes up. It's a black male driver. Star 11, I'm gonna try and stop him. He's gonna try and run.
Would you advise you are trying to stop it? I'm sorry, I have background.
Yes, there's a unit right in front of him. We're 1031 southbound 19.
Leon, Secretary 1033, Texas, starting instructions 1031.
We're going to be going southbound 19. Cruiser 65, it looks like he's crashing here in front of the Waffle House. Star 11, signal 4, fire rescue.
I copy vehicle signal 4.
You better stop, you little! You better stop! I'm gonna chase you! I'm gonna chase you, you mother! Star 11, you got one. Stand by. Get out now!
Luckily, deputies catch him quickly. No serious injuries, but man, this could have ended tragically.
Nice. You know, they are 10-12, I'll slow down. Good job. Sergeant 3, Sergeant 3, we're 10-12.
Roll him to his left. Let me pat him real quick.
10-12, 115.
So they're down. He jumped out and ran, so he's the only occupant. He's down over there. If you guys, he seemed like he was okay. He rolled that like 2 times. I'm sorry? Yeah, we chased him. No, he missed the pole. He knocked down a couple of street signs, and he rolled. He obviously, you can see where he hit the embankment, and he rolled 2 or 3 times over here. They got out and ran. He's got him detained over there.
A dashcam camera in an Anchorage police cruiser caught dramatic video of Officer Mitchell Veenstra and 4 citizens rescuing a man whose arm was trapped under a burning sport utility vehicle. The video released Tuesday is agonizing to watch at times as the man screams.
With Little Rock and Midden, can I get it in?
Yeah, possible trouble. I think medics are around.
He's like a
15, the vehicle, the engine's on fire.
Oh my God!
All right, we gotta try to lift it up. Where's your arm trap, sir?
Let's see if we can, 3 of us.
Oh my! Sir, where's your arm trap? All right, come on, right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, lift! Lift! Go, 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 go! Go! Lift! Okay. 1, 2, 3. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
No, we're not gonna.
Can we push it the other way? Which way is your arm trapped, sir? 15. We need more people. His arm is trapped underneath the door. We're trying with the vehicle. You can't get it up yet. Sir! Come here! Come here! We need help trying to push this up! You! Come here! Quick! Run!
God, please help me out.
Ready? Let's go! Go ahead. Come on! 1, 2, 3! Up! Up! Go! Go! Lift! Push! Push! Push!
I'm gonna go.
Right!
Go.
Push! 2, 3! Go! 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 Go!
No. Oh, you guys saved me.
Team's doing, he's out of the vehicle. All right, everybody back up. Back off.
Oh my good God.
Everyone, let's get back in the vehicle. Let's get away. Get some space.
Let's get away.
Come on, man. All right, we're going to just come back here, get away from the vehicle. I don't want if it blows up or anything.
Nobody else?
No. No one else in the vehicle, sir? No. All right. Come on, let's get away from the vehicle. Let's go. Get some space. Back behind my patrol car. Come on, let's keep going. I know
Sorry,
I'm going to have you sit down as soon as we get there. I just want to get some space back. All right, so we got medics coming. I'm going to take care of you here. Get Joe passed out. Here they are right here. Step off to this side right here. Have you sit on the front of my hood. Right here.
Just put the fire out.
Yeah, they're getting it out. Don't worry.
Priority, I'm actually a fireman.
Yeah, okay.
I work for the state. I am okay. I thought I was literally going to die.
What's your name, man?
My name. And
I'm glad to be talking with you right now.
me too.
Last one, a chase in Ferndale, Michigan, ends with a surprise hero. Police are chasing a suspect wanted on traffic warrants, driving recklessly through city streets. The suspect tries to cut through a parking lot, but a regular guy in a van sees what's happening and slams head-on into him. Total vigilante moment. That crash pins the suspect's door shut.
6-7, you just pulled back, headed north onto Woodward. Looks like he has a tire out as well. Turning into the Myers parking lot. Just crashed out. Get your fucking hands up! Back up! Get your fucking hands up and stay there! Get your hands behind your back! Get your hands behind your back!
Police move in, arrest him and the passenger, and find a stolen gun with a 30-round mag and a stash of heroin. Nobody hurt, just good timing and one tough van. These police chases were next level. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping chase breakdowns.